TSRTC bus to Armoor, Hyderabad Armoor. I wanted to see this long distance TSRTC bus. So I came to Kanigiri, also I thought of seeing, but then I came to know that it all starts from Pamuru, it seems. So that Armoor bus I think is Pamuru. Pamuru, Kanigiri, Hyderabad, Armoor. If anyone knows the exact route, what route that bus goes, the TSRTC bus, please let me know. I'm interested in knowing. Pamuru నుంచి ఆర్మూర్ బస్ అది. నేను ఒక టైం ఉదయగిరి నుంచి హైదరాబాద్ చాలా లాంగ్ రూట్ ఒక బస్ చూస్తాను, ట్రావెల్ చేయింది ఉదయగిరి నుంచి కనిగిరి. వన్స్ ఐ ట్రావెల్ ఆన్ ఎ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ బస్ ఏపీఎస్ఆర్టీసీ way back. That time it was APSRTC and everything. It would belong to different depot. Udayagiri, Kanigiri, I got on at Kanigiri and then I took a bus to Podali long back. That bus continued towards Hyderabad and somewhere else. 5 o'clock it starts from Udayagiri. So I forgot the name of the place. Now it is TSRTC. So then I got an idea after it became separate APSRTC, TSRTC. I got the idea that a lot of TSRTC buses will be there because they belong to different depots those times only. So now when I saw Pamuru, Armoor, so I'm hoping to see that Udayagiri bus also. It starts at 5 o'clock at Udayagiri. Let me see if I get a chance. I'll see. I forgot the name of the other destination. It goes to Bodhan. No, not Bodhan. Somewhere else. The reason I took that bus, Udayagiri bus, was there are no Palli Velugus between Udayagiri and Kanigiri. I think very few buses are there, that to Bangalore buses, Udayagiri to Kanigiri, long distance buses only, not regular Palli Velugus. So those days I was trying to travel to Vijayawada on different routes. I told you in another video also. So that day what I did was Bangalore to Kadapa, Kadapa to Badvel, Badvel to Udayagiri. Then Udayagiri to Kanigiri, I came in that long distance bus, APSRTC. That time it was APSRTC. Then again from Kanigiri to Podali, some Palli Velugu or something. Then Podali to Vijayawada, I took super luxury. That is long time back. So now I am coming in the same route only. A little bit different. That time it went from Podali to, it went to Ongole and then went to Vijayawada. Now also same route I am coming. I came till Kanigiri. So Kanigiri I saw there are no TSRTC buses. Just as I was leaving, I saw on TSRTC. There is one TSRTC from Kandakur also, I think. Kandakur, Udayagiri, Pamuru. Totally 5-6 TSRTC buses are there. From here, how do they go? Do they go to Kurnool? Or Pamuru, Koratla, Metpalli, Kanigiri, Podali, Markapuram, Acharla, Hyderabad, Nagarjuna Sagar, Karimnagar, Jagatiyal. Very, very long route. Korotla bus, same route only it seems. This is also Korotla. Tirupati bus is longer. Korotla, Tirupati, I have taken on video. You might remember. That is longer than this. Here 3 plus 1, 4, 5. 5 buses are here. 2 went in front of me. 1 to Korotla, another to Armoor. Totally 7 buses from Pamuru. 1 from Udayagiri, I think. And Kandakur 1 I think is there. Totally 8. Asifabad bus depot bus. ASF. Godavari Kani, Karimnagar, Pamuru. SL 1 o'clock, 8995. Hyderabad. Markapur, Podali, Kanigiri. Asifabad. I think it starts from Asifabad, Karimnagar, Godavari Kani, Hyderabad, Macherla, Markapur, Podili, Kanigiri, Pamur. Am I right? Uh, Let me know if the route that I said is it right or wrong. Let me know. TSRTC came. I don't know from where it came. Nirmal, Hyderabad. How many buses? TSRTC. Starting from Udayagiri. This is the bus I think I traveled previously. Nirmal. Udayagiri, Armoor, Nirmal. 8106 via Podali, Markapuram, Hyderabad. Udayagiri, Pamuru, Kanigiri, Podali, Markapuram, Hyderabad, Armoor, Nirmal. There's a Korotla bus. Here is the Pamuru bus. There are 4 buses. 6 plus 2, 8. Totally 8 I have seen today. Nirmal bus. Nirmal, Armoor, Nirmal. E bus pushback C2 Kalavu. Kalavu means Podali, Markapur, Hyderabad. All same route only. Podali, Markapur, Hyderabad. Macher light goes, no? 8197. I have not gone on that route, so only. This is Deluxe, Express, Super Luxury. This is Korotla, same route. Korotla, Mitpalli, Kanigiri, Podali, Markapur, Macherla, Hyderabad, Nagarjun Sagar, Karimnagar, Jagatiyal. So Jagatiyal also this goes. So Korotla, Pamur, Jagatiyal, Korotla, Kanigiri, Podali, Markapur, Macherla, Hyderabad, Karimnagar. So many buses, do they all fill up? Same route, same depot. 2 express, 1 super luxury Korotla, 2 express and 1 super luxury. Nirmal 2 buses, 1 deluxe and 1 express, and Asifabad 1. So great. Today I saw all the buses. Korotla 3 express, 1, 2, 1 was on the way. Udayagiri Armoor, 1 more bus came. Super luxury. Udayagiri Armoor, Pamuru, Kanigiri, Podali, Darsi, Vinukonda. So this goes via Vinukonda. ARMR. I lost count. See here itself 6 are there. Some 3 left, 9 total. That was TSRTC Nizamabad, it was written. I couldn't read. Karimnagar, KMR. KMR or KRMR? That also I think is coming from Udayagiri. 10 buses. I lost count actually. చాలా బస్ ఉంటుంది టీఎస్ఆర్టీసీ పామూరు నుంచి హైదరాబాద్. Buses are empty. I don't know why they are running 10 buses. What is the reason between running so many TSRTC buses? I mean, to Hyderabad mainly. So Hyderabad depot could operate, or one of the depots, Udayagiri, Kanigiri depots could have operated. So why operated by Armoor, Nirmal, Asifabad? Why are they operating such long distance? It's all empty. All the buses are empty only. So I don't know the reason. I know that before this bifurcation, these buses were there, so it is continued. That I understand. So that was APSRTC. Now that was APSRTC. Now it is TSRTC. I understand that it is a continuation of the old years, whatever depot was there. But now it would be lost, right? 10 buses, all of them running to the same route. There must be some other reason. If anyone knows, let me know. more bus went. Nirmal, Armour. 11th bus. BVK. I didn't even see that properly. I was half asleep. I'm tired. I was half asleep. DVK or something was written.